everybody, today we're going to make cinema cookies!
I feel like yours doesn't really count as a cookie, it counts more of a bread.
I saw a cookie, it's really, really good. I suggest you
My
try
breakfast.
them. Oh!
Hi everybody, today we're going to be making cinnamon.
Cookies!
Now we're going to start.
The major difference is actually you're going to use butter. I'm going to use, what is
Cream
this?
cheese.
Yeah, cream cheese.
In a bowl, I'm going to combine 1 egg with 3/4 of a cup of sugar and half a cup of butter. Now it's time to mix.
Okay, this is 1 cup of cream cheese. And then 1 cup of flour. And 1 egg.
I'm going to be using softened butter because if you don't, you can never cream it. Your mixer is probably going to die before you finish creaming it.
And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 3/4 of sugar.
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of cup of sugar. Okay, I'm so scared of electronic mixer, so I'm going to use manual to mix everything together.
I'm going to do everything manually.
Okay, thank you.
And aren't you supposed to separate the dry ingredients from the wet ingredients?
Did you?
Yes, this is all wet ingredients.
Okay, it will work.
It's a lot softer and it's also a lot smoother. So I'm going to move on to my dry ingredients. Into another bowl, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 3/8 of a cup of flour.
And I hate this. It got everything stuck on it.
This is why you separate the dry ingredients from the wet ingredients.
Really?
Yeah. Now I'm going to use a whisk and evenly mix the baking soda and the flour. She has absolutely no recipe.
Oh, I came up with the recipe myself.
Now that my dry mixture is evenly mixed, now I'm going to combine them. So I'm going to pour the dry into the wet because the wet's probably not going to get out of the bowl.
This is a disaster.
Why did you even use the whisk first?
I thought it's going to be more powerful than the spatula.
Well, unlike you, I'm going to be using a spatula to mix it.
Okay, last resource, my hands.
While she deals with that disaster over there,
My disaster.
my dough is going to slowly turn into an actual dough instead of a bunch of crumbs plus butter.
Oh, the best tool in the world is my hand. I'm not a very helpful mom. I'm a mom who needs help.
Okay, close enough. So I'm going to put my parchment paper into the pan. I'm going to take a little bit of my batter because it's really sticky. Then I'm going to put it down on the bottom. And now the parchment paper should stick. Now it's time to make your cinnamon sugar. So I'm going to go grab a glass bowl.
Oh, actually you made me under great pressure. He's too fast.
You put me under great pressure.
Okay, you put me under great pressure.
So into a bowl.
Okay, I'm going to do something so he cannot proceed.
What? In a small bowl, I'm going to combine 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of sugar while dodging my mom's legs. So I'm going to be making cinnamon sugar, which is just cinnamon plus sugar.
Oh no, I'm too slow. I'm too slow.
You know when you attack me, it slows you down too, right?
You know your success is built up on your competitor's failure. That's not true.
So I'm going to roll my mixture that's become less sticky for some reason into around 2 tablespoon blobs. I'm going to roll it around in the cinnamon sugar. And I'm going to repeat with the rest of them. So I'm just going to continue to roll them into balls while my mom struggles.
It will be a cookie. I have a great face.
If these cookies turn out to taste really good, I might eat them every single day because it's kind of a breakfast. And
Really? You're going to eat this? You like cinnamon, right?
depends if they taste good.
It will be good. Axel has a golden finger in baking. I have no fingers. Some fingers.
Some fingers.
I should be good at parchment paper. See how good I am. Oh no! I'm supposed to put the butter in. No! It will put me even like slower. No.
The butter will make the dough softer.
Okay, now it's time. You listen to your son and prove he is wrong. Okay? Butter in with my already made dough.
That's a great kneading technique.
What's great kneading technique? Like you're putting everything in the middle?
I'm trying to be sarcastic.
Oh, you're sarcastic.
Now I'm going to finish making the rest of my dough balls.
I have very buttery hands, so I'm going to...
She's tired from kneading it.
Yeah, I just do this and make my parchment paper sticky. Ha ha ha, look how sticky it is. Just look at this.
Don't stop. Okay, I should be down to my last one. And she has barely served her first one.
What? Doesn't work. It's too hard. Oh, does it look like ice cream?
Kind of.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to give her one. And let's see if it tastes better than the rest of them.
No, why? Why you put it on my perfect plate? Go away.
Perfect.
It's my art. That's your art.
Yeah, just put it here then.
You're just jealous how beautiful they look.
No, I feel bad for you, so I want to give you something that actually tastes good.
Mine will taste good.
You sure?
How do you know it won't? Oh, Xwill, I need your help. It's going to be very fun. Xwill, can you help me to use this too and dust cinnamon powder on top of my cookies, please?
The cinnamon powder's just going to go fruity.
Oh, it works! It works! See how perfect this is! Wow, it's just the perfect tool we found to do the dust, right? Small, it can aim perfectly.
I'm going to make my snickerdoodles for 7 minutes at 400 degrees Celsius. And she's going to bake her disaster at 300 degrees for 20 minutes. My snickerdoodles melted.
My cracks.
I feel like I'm going to be eating pancakes. But when I pick them up, I realize that they're really like a cookie,
Oh,
not
no.
like a pancake. What?
It tastes dry flowers. You didn't see this?
You just told me.
Okay, try this half. This half actually good.
It's not as bad as I thought it was.
Actual cookie is too delicious. It's irresistible. What? Irresistible.
Irresistible.
Delicious. Irresistible, delicious.
If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
I just need to put it in the bottom layer.
If it
won't be
breaks,
that hard.
you have to pay for it.
Did I pay for everything at home? Did you pay for anything? Does your channel even make money? He's speechless. It shouldn't be that hard on him. But he started.
What I'm saying is you're probably going to end up breaking it.
Anyways, if you support him, like or subscribe.
Okay, goodbye. Because she's going to take about...
You need to learn how to market your own channel. Your channel is actually good, actually. He's so shy.